All right, guys, so I want to show y'all what I've been working on the side of my house. Now, a lot of y'all know I have Palisade Zoysia on that side, so let's go take a look at that right quick. All right, guys, so again, this is a real quick video. So what we're doing is we got rid of all of the Palisade Zoysia all the way out there, all the way down here. And what I'm trying to do is just test a little bit, trying to see if the Scott's brand combination Zoysia is supposed to be drought and shade resistant, more of a better resistant than this Palisade. So we're trying to see if it's gonna, number one, take, number two, see if it will grow in here. Now, to be completely honest with you, the Palisade Zoysia is going to come back, but I want to see if how this Scott's brand and how it looks to see if it's actually going to take in this particular area over here on the side of my house. So again, we got rid of all of the Palisade Zoysia here on out, and I'm going to show you that Scott's brand and what we did. So we used this little device right here to pretty much break everything up, just a little hand tiller. We used that to break up all of the dirt and soil, pretty much got it all the way down, got it even. And then we came back and we put this Scotch Turf Builder lawn soil down because it got starter fertilizer in it, and wanted to see how that interact with the yard. And then this is the Zoysia seed that we're using. This is the grass seed, Zoysia Grass Seed and mulch. So we put this down, as you can see on the back of it, zoom out a little bit, 85% germination, and this is a combination type Zoysia seed. Don't really tell you what it is, but it's a combination type, and already mulch come with it. It's supposed to hold water into the ground, so we already sprayed it, and we put down some simple on solution seaweed folic acid, and that's basically gonna help it because it's a biostimulant and it's humic acid. What that's gonna do is just pretty much preserve, get the water so the seeds can get all the nutrients from the ground. Then again, it doesn't help with growth, but it help with making sure that seed grow get healthy before they hit germination. So that's what we did, guys. And we also put down a little bit more starter fertilizer. I don't have the bag here, just to make sure that it got down pretty good. And so that's what we're doing right now. So again, we use this roll tiller. We got that at Lowe's, and we got the Scott's Turf Builder lawn soil. Put that down, a couple bags of that, and we also put down manure as well. Manure is really good for new seed, new sod. And we also use the Scott's Grass Seed, Zoysia Grass Seed. Again, this is supposed to be drought resistant, shade resistant, supposed to be a little bit better than the Palisade Zoysia. And we're doing it just to make sure, just to see if it will grow and see if it will grow in this little shaded area, because again, it's two houses right here. It doesn't get a lot of sunlight. So we put that down. And again, some of the Palisade Zoysia is still going to come up because Zoysia is a really tough grass. But we kind of got it all the way down just to see if it will germinate. I'm gonna show you what we put down on my neighbor's side of her grass as well. All right, guys, so in my neighbor's yard, we just put some purely organic lawn food. If you go back to some of my old videos, you can see, I talked about this a lot. The reason we use this over the Milorganite is because of the smell. And Milorganite is really good. It has a lot of good things in it. This covers about 5,000 square feet. So we put this down because we didn't really want that smell coming into Labor Day, especially with her gonna have some family and friends over. We really didn't want that smells. Now, this is a really good fertilizer to get for your lawn. It kind of smells like beer a little bit, but as you can see, it's really good, all organic, which I really like. You can also use this on your plants and stuff like that. So, just make sure you read the back of the label to make sure you set the spreader for your particular lawn. So we put that down, and I'm gonna show y'all her lawn. This is the second time we put this down on her lawn. We put another one down early spring, but I'm gonna show y'all her lawn. And this is my neighbor's lawn. This is, again, that's the second time we put down a purely organic fertilizer. Her lawn was pretty much dead, and this tree was sucking up everything. So yeah, we put that down on her lawn, and look how thick it grown. Even came over to her neighbor's side. Again, this is the second application we put down. Again, you got to water it pretty good. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap this video up. I just wanted to show you guys what we were doing, particularly in that side yard over there. Kind of ripped up, again, we ripped up all that Palisade Zoysia. Palisade Zoysia is really good for those of you who have it, not ripping it or nothing like that. Really love Palisade Zoysia. But I just wanted to do a little test just to see if the Scott's brand combination Zoysia will actually grow in that shaded area over there, because it talks about how it's drought resistant and shade resistant. And again, if it doesn't, I'm pretty sure the Palisade Zoysia is going to come back pretty awesome when the soil temperature hit 80. So I'm not really worried about that, but I just wanted to see if that combination Zoysia would grow. Now, guys, as you can see, it's getting ready to get some rain. So, you know, we're gonna wrap this video up, and I really appreciate y'all for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time in the lawn. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.